Welcome to the akomanga, or classroom. As mentioned in the earlier lesson in parts of the house, manga is the suffix for room. Ako is to teach or learn, so akomanga means the room for learning. Let's take a look around. This is the tatau, or door. Tepu is table. Turu is chair. Papa ma is whiteboard. Pene whitau is a whiteboard marker. And we use a muku, an eraser. A piko is a backpack. Let's have a look inside. We have some pepper or paper. A puka puka or book. We have pene or pens. A pair of kuti kuti, scissors. And a kōpaki or folder. Anyway, I better put these away. The akoranga or class is about to start.